HLNE stock analysis and HLNE stock prediction. These are the buy right now. Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Hamilton Lane Incorporated, I can tell you one thing, and that one thing is that $156 is, well, kind of nice, but the correction is what kind of keeps it juicier. You know, I was praying for pull downs, you know, so I can get involved. And actually, this is a very bullish market from a higher time frame chart. This is why I kind of looked at it from a broader picture. I can tell you one thing, and that one thing is that as long as we're sitting about $128 for me, this is a bullish market. So again, it all depends how you subjectively look at things. But I would, again, much rather stick to something that I've tested for 40,000 videos with all the proof on my YouTube channel rather than trying to assume things. So only if there is a shift, only then I'm buying. If not, there's no reason to. So stay tuned. If you want to learn how I make it 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.